काल पयर बोवाळ जालो तो फिशाचे आनी ते आमगे एकटे भावान ते व्हिडिओ काडलो आनी सगळे व्हायरल जालो ते सगळे स्क्रॅप फीश म्हणून आनी भायल्या सिवेजा उदकान धुयताय आनी ते सगळे बट ऑन दीस देर वर सेवरल कंप्लेंट्स अर्लियर ओके इवन दीस वॉज डिस्कस्ड इन ग्राम सभा आनी सगळे जालो बट एक्शन जायनासलें ओके आनी इवन देर वॉज अ लँड फिलिंग हियर विच वॉज डन अर्लियर
I think this is all illegal land filling.
No, agricultural land. So there were complaints right from 2014. The whole sequence I have here, and a number of complaints and the number of memorandums that are issued. Even now, the matter is in the trial court. Trial court on चलता असताना पर्यंत हिंगा filling चालू आसले, and for that also several reports were made by the deputy collector. But whether they were filed and even police caught them red-handed. But somehow the JCB was not attached and trucks were not attached, were doing the filling. Everyone knows, but जायते भशेन हे जावना. So a lot of things were skipped and bypassed. So it was bypassed and no action has been initiated.
No, you mean to say it was failure of the authorities to act at the right time?
Definitely it's the failure of the authorities, and in spite of complaints also they don't act. So complaints you file and they are not acting.
These guys were all migrants who were selling this fish. Do you think that they have some political backing or anyone backing them or
No,
such?
this place belongs to the deputy sarpanch and
So, but how come the migrants can come and as you as a punch can't take anything, ex-punch,
What?
can't take any action, or you had to go to the
How
authorities?
they will take action if the place itself is theirs? When how you don't expect action also, because even take a land filling अशें ते भितर JCB घेवन तेका व्हिडिओ आसा आमचे कडेन, but no action was initiated and polisan allowed him to go.
Now, what do you think it is will continue?
No, we don't want this. No, whatever we have this video and highlighted all these things. He has gone a different way. We are going in a different legal route, and then direct video काढून out केले आणि हे झाले. So we have to thank him and all the, even including the people like MLA and all who have come here to stop this thing.
So, you think it will be a
No, this should continue, remain like this. See, there are even further down there are pickups. They itun pickup and and the whole land was filled up land, which is still pending in the court, but still activities are going on. There was some license that was given also in September for what license it is not mentioned, but a license, I mean only resolution I have. License I don't know, let me correct that. Resolution was taken to issue an open license. There is no trade, business, nature of business, nothing was mentioned in this.
तुमचं डेप्युटी सरपंच आता misuse of power करता अशें दिसता.
Abusing power and misusing, yeah. So we have filed several complaints on that also.
नुसत्या तेणेच बसयलं तर हिंगा
See, it is quite clear what is happening there. So even yes, see there are pavers and all put here.
Okay, next. हे लँड फिलिंग जे सगळें केलां न्हू तें इलिगल. 23 ताका स्टॉप ऑर्डर आहा. स्टॉप ऑर्डर आसतना तेणी बाय फोर्स सगळें लँड फिलिंग केलां. हे भुरगेपणां हांव म्हज्या हातीन शेत रोंपलो आहा हिंगा आनी स्टॉप ऑर्डर आहा. सगळे ट्रकार फोटो बी सगळे लायलो आहा. एविडन्स मुखार सगळे आहा. A to Z एविडन्स आहा तेंगेले लँड फिलिंग कोते ट्रक मात घेवन येता ते पुलीस आहाय तेजे बारा थिंगा हें कोता आसतना आनी मागीर तेणें मोदें बोर्ड मारलो थिंगा प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी कितें जाता कोमदा दी तें आनी हे 3 माग आहलोले आमगेले. एक आम रोयतालो, एक बड्डे तिथी रोयतालो, एक ते रोयताले. थिंग बड्डे तिथागे नांव काडून उडयलां सेर्वे वयलें आनी तेणें सेर्वे तेज नांवाचें कितें केल्या फकत मामलेदारां एक हियरिंगा भितर तेणें आपणागे नांव आमचे हें काडलां नोटीस धाडा एक हियरिंगा भितर तेणें ऑर्डर पास केल्या हें लँड फिलिंगाचेर आनी आतां ते गाडयो बी दोताय ते थिंगा निस्त्या हें जाता आनी ती सगळीं बॉक्स पडे हांय पडे थर्माकोलाची ती सगळीं शेतान पावताय. आतां हें नुस्तें पळय क्लियर केलां ते भाशेन सगळ्यांक त्यो गाडी क्लियर कराय.
नाव कितें केलें
जॉन दोरात.
इज ऑल इलिगल. इलिगल लँडाची इलिगली लायसन्स दिले नुस्तें विकपाक पंचायतान. तें पयलीं सगळें अकावंट चोयना आनी जरी तर हिंगा नुस्तें पोतून विकूं येताय, वाय डू द पुलीस नॉट अरेस्ट दीस पीपल? फॉर सिंपल रिजन्स दे अरेस्ट other people. Why can't they do this when the illegalities are happening over here? I feel this needs to be done first. Clear this out, because this is in the court. This case is there in the court. And in spite of that, all these things are happening over here. And the panchayat gives them the licenses in spite of this being in the court, which is very bad. Goa has become free for all because the police are not doing anything. The government is sleeping over it. They are just making videos. Nothing more than that is happening over here. Very sad situation.
But today they have stopped.
Today they have stopped because the police came again. Yesterday they were thrown out. Still they came again. They would not have had the guts to come if they were arrested. That is not happening.
So you mean to say it can again crop up once again?
Definitely it will come.
Or it will?
But
It
should
will
not.
come.
But it should not.
It should not, definitely it should not come. Because the videos are circulating that the fish, whatever scrap fish is being cleaned and being sold over here is not good. Who is looking after our health?
FDs will have.
Exactly. When the traffic is going on, the whole road is occupied over here by people over here. It's dangerous in that sense also.
So till now,
Sorry?
Your name
Elvis Coutinho,
from Sarauli?
Sarauli.